and we are trying to go and race them and see who's fastest. Ready, Jason?
Yeah.
Jason, take a car.
Blue.
Which one? You want blue? Okay, put that right there. Ready? Set. Go!
Oh!
I think you're one. You're one. There you go. Ready? Pick another car. I want this one.
White.
Which one do you want?
This one.
You want? Ready? Set. Go!
Oh!
I think I'm one. Ready? Set. Go!
Oh, I want
You won.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's play again. Ready, Jason?
Yeah.
Pick 2 cars for right now. Ready? Pick a car. I want this one.
Yeah.
You want this one? Uh-oh.
Oh. This is real.
Good. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go!
Oh, blue.
I think they went the same, so let's put them right here.
Daddy, blue.
Each side. Ready? Ready? Put both of them. Put both of them.
Oh.
Ready? Set. Go!
Oh!
They went very, very far, guys. Did you see that? They're going to be all friends right now.
I want this one.
You want blue?
Yeah.
Okay, we can set them out now. Ready? Let's get new cars. Open it up. Ooh, get another car, Jason. Get cars out. You can get the cars. And we're not going to use these right now because they don't really wheel that much. Let's all race together, guys. Put the cars up beside Jason. They're right there. We're gonna race them, guys. Ready? Set. Go! This one went the farthest, guys. This one wins. This one went second. This one went third. Fourth. And then this one went fifth. This one went sixth. This one went... No, that one's last. This one went seventh. And there was this one. It goes down right there. And there was this one. And then it was this one. Put your hands, Jason. This is later. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. So this is the last one. This one, it was pretty fast, but yeah, it wasn't as fast as all of them, the rest. All of them went right there. Ready? Let's met them all out. Well, see you later and have a fun day. Goodbye. Jason, say bye.